Okay guys, welcome to your 24th tutorial, and in this we're going to use user defined functions, okay, in PHP. Alright, oh well, I can't even spell F-U-N-C-T, it's okay, we have that, right? So here's my function, planet name, and in here I'm passing arguments, right? It's just like a variable, but you call it an argument, right? And I'm going to echo out the argument, whatever we pass in to the method or the function is a planet in our solar system. So to do this, we go to the function name, which is planet name, okay? Then we're going to pass an argument in, and my argument is Earth, Mars, Venus. Each time this gets called, this will get passed in place of the variable SP name, and that name Earth will go here and be printed out, okay? So I run that, this is what you get, okay? Each one is printed out. Now just to show you that it is actually doing what I'm saying, we put another one in, and I use camel case here guys, it's just that it makes your code more easier to read. We put Pluto, P-L-U-T-O, okay, we close it up. So what I'm expecting now is Pluto to be added to the batch, okay? So let's just have a look. There you go, Pluto is a planet of solar system. So by using one function and passing this argument, we can print out or access any of these planets here. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and the next one we're going to put 2 or 3 arguments in and have a look at that. Alright guys, take care, bye bye.